Hey, I'm Sam May from NICI, and we're here today borrowing the kitchen of Mavita Key in Melbourne, and I'm going to be doing a video on making damper for you guys today. So first we add in a bit of flour, and then you make a little well in the centre, add 20 ml of oil. And then as you start adding in your water, I prefer to use a rubber glove, and you start mixing the flour together, combining it well. Almost a bit like pasta dough. You can use beer, you can use soda water, but today I'm just using normal water. So you mix that dough nice together, and then you start kneading it. I like to knead it in a bowl so we don't make a mess. And as I knead, I'm just feeling the dough, and it should feel like a nice relaxed muscle. And to test it, you just make a little baker's window, flatten it out, and the dough should keep stretching. Once the flour doesn't stick to the dough anymore, you can start making it into the shape of what you're going to be baking it in. I'm going to be using a round oven tray, so hence my damper's going to be round. Cover it with a little bit of oil, and then you add some salt. Put it in the oven around 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Tidy up in that time if you would like to. And then here's the damper, and you should always break your damper just to watch the steam come out. How good is that? Cheers. Bye.